I tested Qustodio to see if it was a reliable parental control app, but I quickly realized it has too many limitations to be effective. While it offers basic monitoring features, it lacks real-time tracking, full social media monitoring, and true stealth mode, all essential for proper monitoring. That's why I switched to Amobix, and the difference was immediately clear. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. There will be exclusive discounts, but more on that later. Why Amobix is the better choice. Real-time tracking. Unlike other apps that refresh data every few minutes, Amobix gives you instant updates on calls, messages, and GPS location. This means you always have the latest activity without delays. Full social media monitoring. Track everything on Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Most apps can't provide full access, but Amobix does. You can view private messages, monitor activity, and even see deleted chats. Stealth mode. Amobix stays completely hidden, ensuring it can't be detected or removed. The app runs silently in the background, making it impossible for the target user to know it's there. Advanced call and text monitoring. Get detailed logs of calls and messages instead of just basic summaries. You can see contact names, timestamps, and even message content without restrictions. Better screen time control. Amobix allows flexible scheduling and detailed time restrictions for complete control. Unlike other apps that only offer basic time limits, Amobix lets you customize screen time rules for different apps and usage periods. Remote access and device control. You can even control certain device functions remotely, something most monitoring apps don't offer. This includes blocking apps, restricting websites, and even remotely locking the device if necessary. GPS location tracking. With geofencing, Amobix not only tracks real-time location, but also allows you to set up geofences, so you'll be alerted if the device enters or leaves a specific area. This adds another layer of security and peace of mind. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss out on more insights. Don't settle for a limited tool when you can get the best monitoring solution available.